In this video, you'll practice the conjugation of the verb to understand. You'll learn how to conjugate it and play some games to reinforce your learning.
Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre le verbe comprendre au présent. Je comprends.
I understand.
Je comprends. Tu comprends.
You understand.
Tu comprends. Il comprend.
And he understands.
Il comprend. Elle comprend.
She understands.
Elle comprend. Nous comprenons.
We understand.
Nous comprenons. Vous comprenez.
You understand, plural.
Vous comprenez. Ils comprennent.
They understand, masculine.
Ils comprennent. Elles comprennent.
They understand, feminine.
Je comprends. Tu comprends. Il comprend. Elle comprend. Nous comprenons. Vous comprenez. Ils comprennent. Elles comprennent.
Now, let's play a game to practice this verb. Jump to the correct answer. They understand, feminine. He understands. We understand. I understand. You understand, plural.
Maintenant, on va pratiquer le verbe comprendre au présent.
Please translate to French. I understand.
Je comprends.
We understand.
Nous comprenons.
They understand, feminine.
Elles comprennent.
Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next conjugation. Don't forget to subscribe.